Model: 2008 Volkswagen Transporter T30 long wheelbase, silver high top 2.5 TDI PD 130 PS 6-speed camper conversion. Body: silver, camper. Mileage: 188,139. MOT: the 30th of January 2024. Engine: 2460 cc BNZ130 bhpe4. Transmission: 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: this will start and run, but the bottom end is tight and slightly squealing. Oil pressure light is on, so will need an engine rebuild or probably easier to just replace it. Grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, 2 keys, electric windows. Is it really nice camper conversion with all of the insulation and electrics done? It has an expensive full